Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Khalifa. In today's video, we delve into the life of an individual whose impact resonates across every corner of the world. Yes, we are talking about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, a true reformer who paved a new path for Arabian society. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The journey of transforming Arab society was a unique one in the life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Through the exemplary events and teachings in his life, he guided the Arab community onto a new path. Social justice? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advocated for justice and equality in society. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, articulated, "None of you truly believes until he wishes for his brother what he wishes for himself," emphasizing the understanding of mutual rights within the community. Economic reforms? Under Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, leadership, an equitable system was established in Medina Munawwara, clearly defining the care for the poor, orphans, and deserving individuals. He advocated helping one another through zakat and charity. He spread the message of assisting society, eradication of tribalism. In a society deeply rooted in tribal affiliations, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, endeavored to eliminate tribalism. He brought people together under the umbrella of justice, where an individual's worth was based solely on their piety and deeds. Women's rights? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, worked to enhance women's rights. In his era, women were granted dignity and status previously unseen. He promoted education and knowledge among women, contributing to a transformative shift in societal perspectives. Educational reforms? To enhance knowledge and education, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave great importance to the teachings of the Quran. His approach to education not only guided his followers in religious matters but also directed them towards improvement in worldly knowledge. In these few aspects, it becomes evident that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emerged as a guiding light for Arabian society. His teachings of humanity, justice, and love continue to resonate. Even today, we draw lessons from his experiences, recognizing the need for societal transformation under his guidance. Hopefully, this video inspires you and teaches us how we can incorporate the principles of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, into our lives. Thank you.